Okay, Belch Olympics trial number 1.01, trial A, Adam Microcon. Okay, so we're gonna try to belch, people. This is the Belch Olympics. Who has the fucking best belch? I just drank one of these a second ago. Oh, it's not steroids. It's not steroids if you shotgun your Belgian beer. Actually, it's actually preferred for a good quality belch. So like I'm full. I haven't eaten anything today. I just been drinking beer. That's my secret. But my shit smells. My shit fucking smells. But here we go. Belch Olympics trial number 01. Hold on a second. I might belch. I might vomit. We got $1.30 on here. Here we go. Belch Olympics. Let me go. I'll probably vomit because I want to belch like George St. Pierre. What a weak ass fucking belch. This is I'm fat and I eat bacon. No, and it loves it. No, I am gas. I am a cloud. I am gas. It'll come out. Listen to these bets. They're like this. Look, burp. Burp. I'm not gonna win the Belch Olympics. Tay-Tay is the Lord, Ruler, King, God, Queen, God of the Belch Olympics. I'm so fucking. See, look at that. That's a weak ass fucking belch. I totally lost the Belch Olympics. I totally lost the Belch Olympics. I was the one that said I'm the greatest belcher alive. But like the Tussin farts, okay, so seriously, hold on, let's go back a little while. The Tussin farts, like when I started doing Tussin, it was like my farts were amazing. I was like, oh my god, this is clearing me out so good. But then it got to the point where I was constipated. Okay, so now, like, I got off the Tussin with the whiskey and vodka and now finally beer. Now I can't belch. Like, I'm constipated always. I'm constipated always. So, just telling you the truth, okay? I'm constipated always from the toxic because I did so much trip C's that I'm dying. That's even in a song, like, I'm remembering, but, like, I'm older now, I just remember this shit. But now I can't even belch, because, like, my body loves beer. So I think I should be the champion who fucking doesn't belch. He can drink as much beer as a motherfucker wants and he can't belch because his body loves it. I love you, Billy. I could lie, say I like it like it. Let's move this filter up for the song Reflex.